Today's our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image references so that we can edit our pictures in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. We have to click on this plus button, upload a file, and we have to choose picture that we want to use as image reference. At this time I will choose this one, click open and hit enter, and your picture will be uploaded here. So here is our picture and we have to click on it, right click, copy image address or copy link, both are same. We have to click on it, right click, just come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt, and we have to paste our link of this picture. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now we will write our prompt here. So now here you can see and read the cityscape should be filled with neon lights and futuristic skyscrapers with flying cars and hover bikes whizzing by in the background. So let's see that what will be the result of it and what MidJourney will provide us with this prompt. So here are four pictures that MidJourney has given us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Or here are U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. Same as if you want to make four variations of each picture, you have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. There is reroll button. If you will click on it, you will get four more pictures. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see that in full quality. So here is our full quality picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever you want, you just come here, hit V4. We want to make four variations of this picture, so we have to come, hit V4, and this will be the result. Let me open it again in a new tab so that we can see the full quality of picture. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to upscale, you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4, and we will come here, we will hit U4, mean we want to make four variations of this picture. So we will hit U4 and here is our final result. If you want to make more variations, you have to click on it, otherwise it's a final result that you can see. I hope this video will help you to edit your own pics in MidJourney. If you have any queries, you can comment and I will reply you.